had big jobs, but the stress was too much. Welcome to Ricky and Brenda's The Great Escape.
Hello channel and welcome back to The Great Escape, this short video that I wanted to make and show folks how you can watch our videos if you don't necessarily understand or speak English. You prefer, let's say, in Spanish. There's a way, and I'm sure a lot of you know that it's available, but maybe there's a lot of you that don't know that it is available. So you can put your closed captions in whatever language you need. And again, it's very easy to do. I'm going to do the short in English and I'm going to do one in Spanish so that people can follow along. So I'm putting it here on screen. The first thing you're going to do is pick the video that you're watching. So once you click on it, it's going to have that wheel, that wheel on the top right. So you click on the wheel and then you get that next screen. You see right there in the middle it says captions. You're gonna click on that and then you're gonna have this other window coming up and you're gonna click the last one, the one that says auto translate, and then you get your list of languages. You can scroll up or down and pick the language that you need. So in this case, I'm putting Spanish, and boom, voila. As you start watching the video, at least you can now read the subtitles in your language. So there you go. You're welcome. Subscribe and like, put comments so that we can continue growing. Thank you to all of you who've been doing so. Our channel it's doing very well. We're very happy. It's growing very healthy, and folks are watching the videos, of course, so we appreciate. Wanted to say thank you, and until the next video, see ya.